Hello and welcome to Rare is Real with me, Priyanka Shinde, and we're talking about what are the conditions that actually look like they're something rare, but they are actually rare but very, very real. The answer to these kind of conditions medically is really, really simple. Sometimes people complicate it in order to get some money or some other kind of benefits, but to be afraid is the worst kind of response you can ever give to such kind of things. आप प्लीज कुछ चीजों से डरिए मत. डर ये सबसे बड़ा खतरा होता है. डर के अलावा जाकर हम अगर फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो पता चलता है कि चीजें जैसी लगती है उतनी डिफिकल्ट नहीं होती है. टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट कॉर्निंग ऑफ स्किन. अब कौन हमने सुना था मेज में, कौन हमने सुना था अलग तरह की खाते पीते चीजों में, लेकिन कॉर्निंग जो है ना वो हमारे स्किन पे भी होती है एंड वो एक छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम है. इससे लोग परेशान बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं क्योंकि कभी कभी उसकी वजह से क्रैक्स पड़ते हैं. ये सबसे ज्यादा फुट में होता है. आई विल शेयर some things with you first before I start talking about cornering of skin. Okay, so सबसे पहले तो हम फुट की बात करेंगे. फुट में सबसे ज्यादा ये इश्यू होता है क्योंकि हम जब फुट से चलते हैं तो इट्स समथिंग लाइक दिस. हम चलते हैं तब हमारे शूज कभी कभी ठीक नहीं होते हैं. दे आर टू टाइट और दे आर टू थिक इन सम प्लेसेस, या कुछ वहां पे स्टोन्स छोटे छोटे पत्थर जाके बैठ गए होते हैं. स्पेशली अगर आप काम करते हैं अपने गार्डन में, आप काम करते हैं ऐसी जगह पे जैसे कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट हो, तो फिर बहुत ज्यादा कॉर्निंग होने के चांसेस है. नाउ कॉर्निंग मीन्स व्हाट? कॉर्निंग सिंपली मीन्स आपका स्किन जो है उस एरिया में बहुत 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 थिक हो गया है एंड इट इज वेरी वेरी पेनफुल टू. सो इसमें से बाहर कैसे निकला जाता है इसके ऊपर बात करेंगे. ओके, सो कॉर्निंग needs something, some help to get out of it, but there is no need to be scared. It will pain a little bit and you will have to take some rest before coming out of it. Okay, so I will show you one more pic, okay, of this before we continue. So कॉर्निंग के स्टार्ट में आपकी स्किन कुछ ऐसे दिखने को चालू हो जाएगी जैसे मैंने अभी स्क्रीन पे दिखाई है. तो इसके बाद थिक 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 होके जाएगी आपकी स्किन और वहां पे एक ऐसे थिक स्किन्ड गट्टू बन जाएगा. गट्टू इन इंग्लिश इट्स कॉल्ड एज थिक स्किन्ड बबल. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट टू डू इन दिस केस? बेसिकली इट इज अ स्किन डिसऑर्डर. इट कैन स्प्रेड, सो प्लीज डोंट ट्राई टू रिमूव इट बाय हैंड. प्लीज हाथ से उसको खींचना मत. वो खींचेगा तो पूरा पैर पे फैल जाएगा. ओके, सो डोंट डू इट. सेकेंड थिंग, हो सकता है इसकी वजह से क्रैक्स भी हुए हो. आपने क्रैक हील सुना है ना? क्रैक हील, मेनी पीपल इन इंडिया मस्ट हैव हर्ड द एड ऑफ क्रैक हील. क्रैक हील मलहम लगाना चाहिए. सो दैट वे the cracks may also develop because of corning. If the skin around your cracks is thick, then remember that आपको skin को cracks नहीं हुए हैं. Your skin is not damaged by presence of cracks, but you are actually getting the corning. Okay, okay, तो उसके ऊपर हम क्या कर सकते हैं इसके ऊपर अब हम बात करेंगे. First and foremost, from the starting, I will say thickening of skin. Usually it happens near the toe or near the very bottom of the skin. Okay, near the foot or in your hand. Okay, so now why does it come? Because of pressure or friction. Like I said, your foot is not right or something else is happening, so it will come to you. Okay, then second term that is used for those who know medical science is clavis. Frictional forces. There is one more term that is hyperkeratosis. Now why is it called keratosis? Because keratin, the skin. Okay, so that is the reason why it is called as hyper, that is too much. Keratosis, development of skin cells. Too much development of skin cells is the literal translation of hyperkeratosis. Okay, so if it happens in the forefoot, मतलब सामने के part of the foot में अगर वो हो गया तो बहुत ज्यादा दर्द हो जाएगा. ठीक है, एंड अल्सर हो सकता है. इसीलिए हम लोगों को इसको स्टार्टिंग में ही एंड कर देना चाहिए. whenever it starts, you should take care of it. Okay, now there can be two parts of this. One which spreads very quickly, So I said don't remove it. And the second, which is in certain area. If it happens in a certain area, it is called as localized callosities. Generally, this happens in the soles. Okay, so you need to take care of this problem. Okay, this issue needs to be taken care of. So, what is the treatment for it? What is the treatment for it? Okay, there are various types of treatment for the corning which are available readily. You can just go and get it from the pharma stores, but many people just don't know what to do. They think that corning can be solved with crack heel malam. No, the crack heel will not solve corning. No, so it's not the right way out. Okay, one more which is available is soframycin, but soframycin will solve it in a little way. It will soften the skin, but it will not remove the corning because वो skin already आपका actually dead skin है जो उधर जमा होके बैठ गया है. It has, the dead skin has come and it has just thickened itself there. That area, the localized area has thickened itself. So now what? Now what to do? Okay. So the first point is to chemically pare it down. Okay, pare it down, and then there can also be home remedies for this. But first of all, I'll talk about the ingredient which helps you come out of it, and that is salicylic acid. The salicylic acid kills the dead skin cells, and that will help you come out of it. Now, why? The salicylic acid is a keratolic. That means it will dissolve the keratin. The keratin, like I said, associated with the skin, the protein keratin. Okay. So, most part of both the corn and the thick layer of the skin, which tops it, is both solved by this. Now, what is this corn? The corn is nothing but the caught up thick skin cell around which the other cells are coming and thickening themselves. Again, I will repeat. It is a thick, dead skin around which other thick, dead skin cells are beginning to come and get localized at. Okay. So, these products are actually safe. Okay. So, let us talk about them. The first thing will be pad. A pad can be totally, it will just cover the entire foot. Second is plaster. A plaster can also do it, but the plaster will make you stay in one place for a lot of time. The third is applicator. Applicator can otherwise be called as bandage. This is the best one for people who want to go out and walk. And there are drops. Drops can also be taken care of. You guys can go and check it out. Okay. You will get it. Okay. All of these treatments. Now, what will happen when you use these treatments? The top part of the skin will first of all whiten. The dead tissues will be peeled away. So the skin will come out. So no need to be scared. Skin बाहर आ जाएगा because of the product that you are using. और उसमें डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. The thing will hurt lesser now. Okay. Now, infections should not happen. That's why I told you not to cut the corn. So there's no need to be scared of it. Okay. There also, you can also put antibiotics near it. Like in Maharashtra, there is something called as Kailas Jeevan. In various parts of India, there will be other things. Okay. Antibodies are preferred. But if you guys have diabetes, or if you have some kind of health issues which make your skin very, very thin, very, very sensitive, then please don't directly use these products. It's recommended that एक बार आप healthcare professional के पास जाके आए. Okay. But please, please, please do not try to cut anything. Please do not try to cut anything. It will be really, really sad if anything happens to anybody because of it. Okay. So please don't try to cut anything. Make yourself available so that you can, talk about these things and yet not get scared. Those who have treated themselves, please, please share it with the others. Okay. And in no condition, remove that corn. Okay. Otherwise, the infection will just spread. Use the product, especially applicator. It only contains something called as salicylic acid. It will just remove the dead skin cells. Okay. थोड़ा सा वो skin cells आपको तकलीफ दे सकते हैं, but it's totally fine. So check it out. Please, please, please don't do anything by yourself unless you are using something called as applicator at least, or the drops. So one of the products that I think is the most effective here is something called as Corn Reef. You guys can go and check it out in the pharma. If anybody has this problem, please don't be scared. Please, please, please don't be scared. Okay. Yeah. So please keep on giving us your love. Please subscribe the channel. Or yaar, subscribe kari do yaar. And give us your likes and your comments. What all would you like to hear more than this? We'll be there to help you get more and more knowledge so that the scariness can be lesser and lesser. Okay. See you soon. Love you. Bye.